We now go to Margot Curl, who's joining us from the Red Cross Red Crescent Climate Centre, where Margaret leads the work on both online and offline innovative engagement. Your 2 minutes start now.
Thank you so much for that introduction, and hi to all of you. I see there's more than 360 of you online all over the world. What a fantastic turnout and what a great start of this project. So I'll tell you very briefly why we are engaged in this project, and together with all my colleagues here, I think Leon is a hard act to follow, being very clear on how we engage. I'll also tell you a little bit on why we engage. I'm part of the Red Cross Red Crescent Climate Centre, which deals with addressing the impacts of climate change for the most vulnerable people. Also with us, we have the Red Cross, the IFRC Psychosocial Centre that really deals with the impacts of mental health. Now, our mandate really is looking at the impacts of climate change for the most vulnerable, and who are some of those most vulnerable people. Exactly, people experiencing some form of mental health problems. Now, I think it's really interesting to see how we've heard the research is getting clearer and clearer despite the gaps at the level of the Red Cross Red Crescent, which is a vast humanitarian network with globally about 80 million people there. There's a real recognition that the impacts of climate change impact mental health as much as the rest of the health work. So you might associate the Red Cross with stretchers or with war situations, but we do much more than that. Really look at the disasters all over the world, impacts of health and how we can address that, and mental health is one of those. Through this project, we would like to engage many more people and get those connections much clearer. On the other hand, we know that climate change is complex. I think David Navarro said it at the beginning. Only through real open dialogue can we create meaningful change. And I would agree. And we have years of experience of supporting that open dialogue, engaging 370 plus people online in ways you wouldn't have thought of. We've worked together with cartoon artists. There's 2 live cartoon artists creating cartoons of what's happening now. We've worked together with other artists, circus artists, comedians, all sorts of people to get that meaningful engagements, running sessions from the White House to NASA, from the Vatican to rural Zambia. And we bring that experience and we enrich those, we hope to enrich those dialogues and together draw out the best results. And thank you very much.